Listen up, traders. Want to unlock the secrets of profitable Forex trading? Of course you do. One word, ADX. This bad boy is your secret weapon. It's the key to identifying those juicy trends that can make you serious money. We're talking big wins. Forget those lagging indicators. ADX is where it's at. Get ready to ride the waves of profit. Ever feel lost in the chaotic world of Forex? We've all been there. But don't worry, ADX is here to guide you. It's like having a roadmap to success. With ADX, you'll spot those strong trends early. You'll know exactly when to jump in and ride the wave. No more second guessing, no more missed opportunities. ADX is your ticket to Forex mastery. Okay, let's break it down. ADX stands for Average Directional Index. Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. It's actually pretty straightforward. Think of ADX as a measure of trend strength. It tells you how strong a trend is, whether it's going up, down, or just sideways. It's like a power meter for trends. ADX oscillates between 0 and 100. Higher values mean a stronger trend. Lower values mean a weaker trend. Simple, right? Think of it like this. Above 25 is strong, below 20 is weak. Between 20 and 25, that's our sweet spot. It's where trends start to cook. ADX is your secret weapon to unlock the power of trend trading. Now let's put ADX to work. Remember, higher ADX values mean a stronger trend. A reading above 25 is a screaming buy or sell signal, depending on the direction. We're talking explosive moves here. But don't just rely on ADX alone. We need to see if the market is moving up or down. Low ADX values, below 20, tell a different story. They signal a weak trend or a ranging market. Think of it as a timeout for the trend. This is not the time to be a hero. It's a time to sit on the sidelines and wait for a better opportunity. Remember, patience is key in Forex trading. Section 4, the Power of Convergence, ADX and other indicators. Listen, I love ADX, but even the best indicators need backup. That's where our trusty moving averages and RSI come in. They're like the Robin to ADX's Batman. Together, they're an unstoppable force. Think of it this way. ADX tells you the strength of the trend. Moving averages confirm the direction. And RSI, it helps you time those entries and exits to perfection. See how it all comes together? It's like a symphony of indicators working in harmony. Section 5, navigating trend direction with plus DI and DI lines. Hold on, folks, we're not done yet. ADX has two buddies you need to know, plus DI and DI. They're like the yin and yang of trend direction. Plus DI tells us about buying pressure. DI shows us the selling pressure. Simple, right? Here's the key. When plus DI is above DI, bulls are in control. It's time to buy. When DI is above plus DI, bears are running the show. Time to sell. Remember, these lines are our trend direction indicators. Use them wisely, my friends. Section 6, practical examples, spotting opportunities with ADX. All right, enough theory. Let's see ADX in action. Imagine this. You're watching the EUR-USD pair. ADX is above 25 and climbing, plus DI is soaring above DI. This is a textbook bullish signal. Time to buy and ride that wave to profit. Now let's flip the script. You're looking at GBP-JPY. ADX is above 25, but this time, DI is above plus DI. Bears are in control. This is your chance to short the pair and profit from the downtrend. See how easy it is to spot these opportunities with ADX? Section 7, mastering ADX, tips for effective Forex trading. Now before you rush off to trade, remember these golden rules. First, ADX loves trending markets. Don't even bother with it in a range-bound market. Second, watch for those key level crossovers. When ADX crosses above 25, it's go time. Don't be afraid to adjust the ADX period to fit your trading style. Experiment and see what works best for you. And most importantly, practice, practice, practice. The more you use ADX, the better you'll become at spotting those profitable trends. So there you have it, folks. ADX is your ticket to Forex trading success. Use it wisely, and you'll be raking in the profits in no time.